Hi Pisces, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. This is going to be your love guidance from August 1st through the 15th. In this love guidance, we're going to be looking into how you feel, how your person feels, how you see each other in the connection. This is going to be focused mainly on love. The month is August, and August is a kind of month where relationships are the highlight, but also there's an energy about education, higher education, learning, words, scribe, music, and any written communication. So this is very strong and potent energy. I am being called at this time to channel music and music lyrics. So being that I have been channeling this for all 12 signs, I have a song for you with a couple lyrics from the song that may resonate with your situation. Also keep in mind before we get started, Pisces, that is not going to resonate with all of you. Also give it some time to play out. The 15th is not here yet, so please give the messages some time to play out if it hasn't started playing out in your life. Keep in mind that I am a type of spiritual healer that really is here to help to counsel others, to help others in a spiritual way, kind of like coaching, keeping relationships together, and also really, once again, it may not resonate with everyone, but if you're interested in getting a personal, I do recommend getting one. The link is down below in the description box if you're interested. Okay, so for you, Pisces, the song that I'm channeling is Make Me Better by Fabulous and Neo. Make Me Better. The part of the song that sticks out here is I'm a movement by myself, but I'm a force when we're together. Mommy, I'm good all by myself, but baby, you make me better. And then you make me better is repeated 7 times in the hook. So what this seems like is pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy to figure out. It is something about a person being very powerful, having influence in a community or in the world or in their friendship group, at work, school, family, whatever. This person seems to be a leader of some sort, or someone who has some type of power or influence or inspires others day to day, right? This person knows that they are some sort of force to be reckoned with, and they are definitely a person with some type of power, whether it is a power that people like to think is power associated with roles in jobs, or it is a real kind of power where this person is spiritual. They could be a very, very successful or renowned priest, pastor, or maybe they are like a reincarnated soul, and this person may have some type of spiritual authority, right? So whatever they are, whoever they are, this seems to be a person who is definitely like some type of king, royal bloodline. For some of you, for others of you, it may not go that deep, right? It may stop at just being a person with a powerful personality, okay? But whatever this is for you guys, is someone saying, you know, mommy, I'm good all by myself. I'm okay by myself, but with you, you make me better. You make me a better person. You make me stronger. You awaken my gifts. You help me to tap in, and you help me to want to know more about God. You help me to seek that higher wisdom and go after my passions and my dreams. You help me to know who God is, or something like along these lines, you guys. But you are doing something really, really powerful in someone's life. Now, how do you feel about this person, your love interest? What I'm getting here is that you're in a place where you feel like you don't want to disrespect anyone, but you are on a mission, right? And so it's like you respectfully are focused on your mission, and you're respectfully going to get there regardless to what is happening around you. No one can knock you off your pivot, right? You are very, very focused on reaching some type of big goal or dream in your life. I feel like you guys will be so happy about where your life is going or where it's heading right now This comes from you taking initiative and going after all the things that you want, all the dreams that you have. You're making them a reality now. I feel like your heart is really aimed toward the pursuit of whatever this strong desire or passion that you have surrounding career, life purpose. You could be on a spiritual journey. You could be going through a full spiritual awakening right now. You could be discovering new talents, hobbies. You could be wanting to focus on your career. You could be focused on the future, longevity, retirement, success. Whatever it is that you are focused on, that's your dreams, right? Like you're delved into this. So you are now aligned with your soul's path at this time and fully standing in your power as you do so. So as a person, both mentally and spiritually, you are just going toward the calling and realizing your actual destiny or your destined path that you are supposed to walk on at this time. So in matters of the heart, it's like you're saying to your lover, I don't mean to disrespect you. I don't mean to not necessarily disrespect you, but I don't mean to ignore you. I don't mean to make you feel less important. I don't mean to hurt you in any kind of way, and I don't mean to offend you in any kind of way. But I really have dreams and I really want to achieve them, and I really am excited about all of the amazing possibilities for my future. So how does your person of interest feel? This person right now, honestly, it looks like this is someone who's been getting a lot of romantic offers from others lately. And they're focused on escaping these other romantic offers, because I feel like this person is getting a lot of new attention that they really don't want, to be honest with you. They could be now in the spotlight for something. They could be put at the forefront, right, because of something. Maybe it's their career, maybe it is something involving media, maybe it's something involving fame or anything like that, whatever it is. Or maybe this person is just maybe going out more, or they change something about the way they look, right? There is something about this person that is catching a lot of new eyes, and a lot of other people are interested in them, but they really don't want that attention. They really don't. This is someone who only wants things to happen with you and to see more progress with you in this connection. So they know that with you experiencing some type of new awakening, or you're in this like culmination stage where you're planting seeds for your future right now, and they're at a place where they are getting a lot of attention right now. So they could be worried about some changes coming up, and now things are about to be a little different, right? And things are getting a little bit more serious now within your connection. They're getting more serious about you, and things around the connections getting more serious as well. So this person may feel like with all of this type of like energy coming through, these changes coming through, things are changing now. They could be feeling like they're holding more weight on their shoulders due to more responsibilities at work, or with family, or with their loved ones. So they do respect your boundaries if you have any right now, Pisces. They understand that right now you are focused on like trying to become someone, or leave a legacy, or like it's something you are like really, really focused on right now. And so they just want to keep the peace with you as they watch you go through this process. I feel like they are supportive. I feel like they have a good outlook about the future with you, and just hoping that you feel the same about them. Hoping that all these changes happening in the connection is not gonna cause you to consider any other options or stray away from them, because they're not straying away from you even in the midst of all of this. So they just hope that you think the same way and you see things clearly in the midst of everything changing. So how do you see this person right now? Is something about their communication. You may like the things that they're telling you or communicating to you right now, or you may be seeking communication from them at this time, but there is something about communication coming up. But I think you see this person as someone who is tapped into their spiritual self during this time. They may be thinking on a higher level. They may have a really high frequency. They may be talking more positively. And they could be coming across as a more genuine and honest partner or lover at this time. So you know that when this person speaks from their heart, that other people will start to resonate with them and trust them because of the way they communicate, but only when it's coming from the heart. So I do feel like for a lot of you, this is someone who, Pisces, you want to be with. This is a love interest that you are trying to create a relationship with, or someone who wants to be with you. But this feels, whether it's new or not new, it just gives me an energy where two people are trying to stay on the positive path toward each other, okay? But it's like, you know that this person will feel so much happier if they continue to focus on the good things, okay? Communication is a two-way process, and I think that you are aware of that, and I think that you see them being aware of that, like if they want positive interactions with you, then they must start opening up with you more, communicating with you more, telling you what's on their mind, telling you what's going on with them. Learn to listen to you with interest and respond openly to you as well. This will help to improve the relationship overall, and always keeping the channel of communication open is very positive. This person, I just think that you think highly of them when you see them being open, when you see that they're open to talk to you, when you can tell that this person isn't hiding anything about their innermost feelings about you. You love this. You love when they are expressive, when they can open up and they can like connect with you. Now, this person, the way they see you as the commitment type. The commitment type. You are the person that they want to fully commit to. So this is a person who could be thinking about turning your connection into an actual relationship. They could be thinking about the future right now, could be making plans. Now, for those Pisces sun signs who are already in a relationship or you're already married, then they're thinking about having a deeper level to your already present commitment. Whatever it is about is someone who wants a commitment, okay? They want a commitment with someone. And I feel like for a lot of you, this is like you guys are friends or you're in a situationship or whatever, but they do want more. They do want more. So they see you being fully committed to them, and they also see you being fully committed to what you want to do in your life or what you are doing. Whatever vision you have about your life or your future, they don't see you having any doubts about it. They don't see you deviating away from the path. They don't see you letting anything come in to block you from being successful. You are persevering toward your vision in your person's eyes. You are letting your every thought, word, and action be directed toward the desired outcome that you want for your life. So they see you really focused on building your future, really focused on doing what you love. And so they're here. And so it's like this person's kind of in the background saying, hey, I'm here if you need anything. Ask for help when you need it, and I'll be here for you. Okay, I fully support you, and I'm going to help you because this is going to help you be the person that you want to be. So they are there. They're seeing you as being fully committed to what you love, and that could include them, right? So it's really positive, this energy right now at this time. They are totally for you guys going after things that you really want, and they're going to support that. I feel like they actually want to commit. They actually want to have a relationship. They actually want something more concrete and solid. And that's where their head is at during this time. I hope that this helps. God bless.